Are you a cereal plant killer? Meet the Adenium, the succulent that laughs at neglect. It looks like an exotic bonsai, but only needs water once a month. Stop killing soft plants and start mastering the desert rose. Low effort, high drama. In this masterclass, water once a month, perfect soil, sunlight, and pruning for that chunky bonsai look. By the end, your Adenium will thrive and forgive almost everything. Let's start with the secret weapon, the caudex. Treat it right, and the rest is easy. Ready? See this fat base? That's the caudex, Adenium's built-in water tank. Healthy feels firm and smooth. Slight wrinkles mean thirsty, not dying. Firm is good, mushy is danger. Biggest mistake 1, letting roots sit wet. That starves oxygen and invites rot. If it smells sour or looks muddy, it's too wet. Fix it with fast-draining soil and real drainage, no saucer swamp. Mistake 2, planting too deep. A buried caudex stays damp and rots. Expose the shoulders. Keep the base high and dry with chunky top dress. This shows off the shape and keeps moisture away from the trunk. Soft spot? Unpot? Cut back to clean tissue, dust with sulfur or cinnamon, then let it dry. Callus first, then repot in dry, gritty mix. Respect the caudex, and this plant becomes almost foolproof. 3 rules: drainage, elevation, callus. Now let's dial in sun and soil. Stop overwatering. Start with a gritty, fast-draining soil. My go-to: 40% pumice, 20 perlite, 20 coarse sand, and 20% bark for structure and air. Test it. Water should rush through, not puddle. If it clumps, it's wrong for Adenium. Use terracotta. It breathes and speeds dry time. Seat the caudex high. Backfill without burying the base. Water deeply, then wait until the mix is bone dry, often 3 to 4 weeks indoors. Use a dry stick test instead of guessing. For blooms, give bright direct sun. South or west window is best. Aim for 4 to 6 hours of direct light indoors. Warm season? Move it outdoors for a sun boot camp. Target 20 to 40,000 lux for reliable flowering. Low light means leggy growth and few flowers. Right sun and soil equal dense growth and big color. Airflow helps too. Now, sculpt the shape. Pruning looks scary, but it's simple with clean tools and timing. Sterilize to avoid infections. Best time, warm growing season, not winter rest. Cut just above a node at a slight angle to prompt branching. This redirects hormones and wakes up side buds. Dust with cinnamon to keep the cut dry. Work symmetrically for a balanced, chunky canopy. Optional. Light wiring to open the structure, never pinch the trunk. In a few weeks you'll see 2 to 3 shoots per cut. Top dress cleanly and rotate weekly for even growth. Feed lightly during growth. Low nitrogen, a bit more phosphorus and potassium. Water at the edges. Keep the base dry. Prune, light and patience equals more blooms next season. That's the bonsai look, without the high-maintenance lifestyle. You built it, now enjoy it. One more tip before we wrap. The desert rose is your secret weapon for stunning color with minimal effort. If you want a plant that rewards neglect, the Adenium is it. Soil gritty, caudex high, deep sun, occasional feed, monthly water. Set it and forget it, then enjoy the show. Care cheats: water monthly, give full sun, use terracotta, drain fast, prune in warm months. Wrinkled? Time to water. Mushy? You overdid it. No blooms? More light. Keep it warm. This is a desert native. In winter, keep drier and bright. Growth slows down. Start small or rescue a leggy one. Both can become showstoppers. With the right cuts and sun, the glow-up is fast. Hit like if you're ready to try this tough beauty. Comment your watering style below. Watch next, the exact soil mix and 3 pruning cuts that explode branching. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Adenium Masterclass. Your living sculpture awaits. See you in the next grow session.